This is why you want to be very, very careful about how you get your car title. If you use a sketchy or illegal method, it could come back and bite you. Here's a story about a DMV clerk that was selling illegal titles through a DMV scam that she was running, where she had people that were selling these titles to people that didn't have the right paperwork, and she was making $800 per title. Overall, it was $3 million worth of titles that were processed. This was an auto tag agency in Miami, and there was a stolen vehicle that had LoJack on it, and they found it in a body shop. But they found that there was a title for it. Somebody had issued a title for that vehicle. But they tracked it back, and they found that this title clerk allegedly had issued the title. And they found a lot of her records for vehicles were for fraudulent titles. And she was making a lot of money. Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. So anytime you're looking to get a title for a vehicle, you want to make sure you're doing it legitimately. You're not using any kind of fake mechanics lien. You're not doing any kind of tax evasion. You're not paying somebody to do something illegal, because all the titles for these vehicles are getting revoked. So whoever had the title is losing out. And if you were in on the scam, they're looking at other prosecutions. So make sure that you're getting your title legitimately. Remember, a title is a legal government document. You can't buy one from a company. You can't download one from the internet. You have to get it from the government. Yeah, they're going to make you jump through a few hoops, but they do that to protect you as the owner, because once they give you a title, you don't want anybody to take it away from you. So the same way that you have to provide a lot of documentation to get a title, that means no one can get it from you later without the same kind of documentation. So get your title the right way, do it legitimately, use a legitimate source. Don't pay any of these fly-by-night or scammers that are out there trying to sell you titles using some kind of dubious means. Make sure that whoever's getting a title for you can explain in detail how they're going to do it, so you know it's not being done illegally. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click on other videos on our channel to see if there's further information that could give you more insight into resolving your particular situation.